Today, another important reactions of acids, that is Arndt-Sturt synthesis or Arndt-Sturt reaction. By this reaction, we can prepare higher members of fatty acid from its lower members. That means formic acid to acetic acid, or acetic acid to acetic acid to propanoic acid to butanoic acid, etc. Next, higher member. For this, say we are taking an acid RCOOH. Then it has to be converted first to acid chloride RCOCl. For this, you have to add either PCl5 or thionyl chloride. This is acid chloride. This acid chloride is treated with diazomethane. Then, by eliminating 1 mole of HCl, 1 Cl and 1 H from this carbon, you will get RCOCHN2. RCOCHN2. This is diazoketone. Instead of RCOCH3, you are getting CHN2. This is N2 group is diazo. This diazoketone, when heated with a catalyst, silver oxide, act as a catalyst, then atomic rearrangement reaction occurs. And you will get a ketene RCH double bond C double bond O, eliminating nitrogen. This is ketene, a new type of compound, not ketone. This is ketene, which on hydrolysis you will get an acid. On hydrolysis, you will get here 1 H to this carbon and 1 OH to this carbon from water. H, OH, this is water molecules. So RCH to H will be added and COOH. You will get RCH2COOH. That means you have started RCOOH and you are getting next homologue RCH2COOH. By adding CH2, next homologue you are getting. So from lower member to higher member, you are preparing acids from lower member to higher members by Arndt-Sturt synthesis. These are the reactions so far I have discussed. Now you will see the identifications of acid, how you will identify acid in the laboratory. You also perform it in the practical classes. Identification of acid. Identifications of acid means carboxylic group. Organic acids like carboxylic groups. If to an aqueous solutions of acids, either in cold condition or in hot condition, or in alcoholic solution, if acid does not dissolve in water, then you may dissolve it in alcohol. The two aqueous solutions or alcoholic solutions of acid. If saturated solution of sodium bicarbonate is added, then evaporations of carbon dioxide will be formed with the formation of a salt, sodium salt plus H2O plus carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide evaporations of carbon dioxide will be observed. So if evaporations of carbon dioxide is observed, then you will confirm that this is an acid. Another test for acid, this is esterification reaction. Esterification reaction. We have seen earlier in the property of acids. If an acid is treated with an alcohol in presence of concentrated H2SO4 as dehydrating agent, then a sweet smell compound, this is called ester, is formed plus water. Water will be absorbed by H2SO4 so that ester does not undergo further hydrolysis. So H2O will be absorbed by H2SO4. By the smell, sweet smell of the ester formed, you can identify the presence of acid. These are the identification of acid. Now I will show the simple test to identify formic acid and acetic acid. Which one is formic acid and which one is acetic acid? To do so, number one, identification of formic acid. HCOOH, identification of formic acid. If formic acid is mixed with concentrated sulfuric acid or heated some low temperature concentrated sulfuric acid, then it is a dehydrating agent. Sulfuric acid is a strong dehydrating agent. It will absorb water molecules from carbon monoxide and form formic acid, forming carbon monoxide plus H2O plus H2SO4. That means water will be absorbed. So if H and OH water form, you are getting carbon monoxide. This carbon monoxide gas is colorless, but when burned in air, it forms a blue flame. Blue flame when burned in air. So observing the blue flame of the gases, you can identify that the acid taken is formic acid. And then for acetic acid, test for acetic acid. This is common acid, these are formic acid and acetic acid. For this test, a well-known test can be shown. This is Cacodyl test. Cacodyl, the compound formed will be cacodyl oxide. Here, the potassium salt of acetic acid. Potassium salt of acetic acid is heated with arsenous oxide, H2O3, arsenous oxide. This is arsenous. Arsenic has valency 3 and 5. This is valency 3. So it is arsenous oxide. Then a salt will be formed, and then after evaporation you will get a solid salt, which is called the cacodyl oxide, and which has a bad smell and also poisonous. This is called cacodyl oxide. Arsenic, OS. These are arsenic, and there are two molecules of CH3 here, CH3 and CH3. This is also CH3. This is called cacodyl oxide. This has a very bad smell and also poisonous. Normally, acetic acid is tested by esterification reaction and by sodium bicarbonate reactions.